Movie. Rice bag. Show this. I think this has in Walmart also. Rice. Cooking there's no rice cooker, so I'm cooking rice in the manually. I'm making Korean barbecue bulgogi. I already mixed the cooking wine.
What can I help with?
Pepper. And
Can I help with anything?
No!
soy sauce.
Quiet, leave me alone.
Cooking wine, and you're supposed to put sesame oil, but I'm out of it. So I put grapeseed oil in
Stop
there.
talking to me. I cannot handle you right now.
Grapeseed oil. Now, see the jelly? I use cheap grape jelly, but this is Uncle Big's jelly, you know. We don't know, I didn't ask him, so I'm going to put it in there. Hopefully I don't get in trouble, right? Using his jelly up. Yes, I forgot to put the grape jelly, so I put on any jellies. With the sugar though, put it in there. Instead of use sugars, you put jelly on it. It tastes a lot better than sugar. So you put sugar, Korean basic barbecue sauce is you put grape jelly, soy sauce, cooking wine, and sesame oil. And green pepper, right? And then I'm gonna put cilantro. Oh, cilantro, show the cilantro. Onion, garlic, ginger. And I put this one for hot pepper, this jalapeno. This one is no hot taste. If it's real hot, real jalapeno, you only put one or two. Okay. How about this one? New, I tested it. It's jalapeno pepper. It's not hot. So this one is like, I use like regular bell pepper, this kind of pepper. But this one I saved it from last time, and this is hot. But this is real hot. You put one or two, not too much. And put onion. I put this pepper because I like some colors in my food, you know, red and yellow and orange. And okay, I'm gonna cut this cilantro. Cilantro is it's really good. You put it in there. You cut this one real small and you crush it. You're supposed to crush it really small. This hot pepper is hot. Jalapeno peppers. I never crush this really small because if it's too hot, they can take it out, right? So I put like big chunk piece. It's too hard, I have to get it out, so I'll just put it here. Cut it in half.
You don't remove the seeds?
I don't even see seeds to make it hot, you know. See there. Put the onion. I like purple onions. Just give it a color.
You know what your brother wants?
I'm basically making a sauce. Might have to put some little bit of more sugar. This beautiful purple colors. Oh, this knife. Uncle is not cute. So I'm actually making a paste.
I'm actually going to be on the wrong side now.
This will make me lots of it. This is just the sauce I'm making. It's like soy sauce. It's like salt, so you don't want to put too much on it. When I cut the beef, I'll show you how much you put of this sauce in there. Okay. big.
We give up.
It's big. Put this one in there. Garlic I crush it. See gingers?
You like
I don't use gingers. I just squeeze the juice out. So, is some cooking here about grounded?
upstairs.
Maybe not. Maybe.
Upstairs. Keep it eyes.
Let me see how grounded. Somewhere.
Get back in there. Yeah, get back in there.
I'll find the garlic crush here
Get
about
back in
grounded.
here.
So I'm gonna cut this one real small. I'm trying to like, I don't want to put these chunks in there. I want to use a little bit of juice in there. Because the ginger doesn't taste good. I just put it in there to kill the smells of meat.
You know what's good, John?
I don't like the meat. It smells like meat. I kill them with ginger and then a little bit of garlic and cooking wine. Just come out? No. This thing has to be crushed around.
Your 4 storage space.
No, this one I'm gonna worry about later.
36 seconds.
Okay.
You guys have to come and get me.
Let me actually stir a little bit of more Uncle Pig's sauce.
You never when you have a watch
I'm gonna stir Uncle Pig's jelly. It's not here, so I couldn't ask him, so I'm gonna steal it.
John. Oh, guys. Come and get me, guys.
Hold this.
Okay, Superman is useful, right? Yeah, my Superman is gonna open the jar. One shot! Good job! Oh, look, I'm gonna pull. Jelly! What kind of jelly is this?
Looks like raspberry.
Oh man, I don't use the raspberry stuff. I use like grape jelly, but
It's also super expensive.
I know. I think I can get in trouble. Ooh, yeah, that's what Super Guy is looking for. I think in there. No, treasure found. I drop it in there. Oh man, I was looking for it. I find it. Now, this is the sauce. This is the secret sauce, you know. Uncle Big is here. Yeah, I'm not going to use up all the jellies. I'm going to put some sugar in there now.
Hey, how are you, sweetheart? Oh, hey, big guy.
Okay, only thing I have to do now, color. I'm going to put some color in there.
Huh?
Cup this one in, and the garlic, and everything's ready. And then
Slip
cut
and
the
slide.
meat, and I'll show you how much to put the sauce in
it's
there.
not
Then it'll be
folded. Shoot,
delicious
yeah.
Korean barbecue.
It's not up to me. But the whole backyard is a giant mud pit.
Oh.
When it gets rainy like this, it's just muddy.
Hyungbo, do you happen to have some grounded ginger? Like, you know, the little thing that you ground ginger in?
The grater.
Yeah. Do you?
Your sister took all that stuff to Florida.
Oh, you don't have a rice cooker.
Then I
Feel sorry for you.
$10.
Lonely man, right? Lonely young man.
For the garlic?
Yeah, I see the garlic powder. We'll make a movie, Hyungbo. People ask me how to make Korean barbecues.
What I do for the garlic
Yes.
is the back side of this.
Oh.
You know what I
The
mean?
garlic cushion, I found the garlic
Where
cushion.
you found that? Huh?
Yeah, I like this.
So you can take the garlic and this thing too,
Oh, overflow.
using the back side, just like that.
Oh, ginger, huh? Hey, they don't take too long. I like anything quick. Just clean. My stomach can only wait 15 minutes to eat. I don't take long. I just cook it real quick.
Pick me up.
Okay.
Okay, all this stuff needs to come off because there's just not enough room. Put it on a table or something. Hey, cameraman.
Take a picture of him. Take a picture of him.
I've been stuck here for 10 minutes.
Uncle Big, put him in the movie, okay?
Oh, man.
Look, colors. Okay, then Ginger's here. Ginger's I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Put this in. See, look, almost done. This is overflow.
Yeah, you can say.
So remember the grape cherry. And another last thing, when you want to make a chunk beef soft, you want to put one little piece of kiwi, a chemical in it, break down the beef and makes it really soft. Let me see this one first. Yep. See, I got beef. I'm gonna cut this beef in it. Look, my juice is overflow, so I'm gonna put juice in here. And cut the beef, put in there, then we order, and then cook it.
Here's some of my
See, look, video.
Oh my
Look,
god. What?
this is my sauce.
Storage space.
It's overflow, so I'm gonna put it in there.
Just put the whole thing in there.
No, you don't want to put, see? This much beef, sure, because this is the, how much you, this much beef, you put, look, this much sauce. Oh, show in the camera.
Nobody cares.
That would be too salty, it'll be ruined. It's not apple.
Yeah, I've been stuck here for 10 minutes, Mom.
Okay, come on, just put it in there. I'm gonna cut this one. Look, that much juice for the beef, okay? And let me see. I need to put a little bit of sugar in it. I just taste it. Cut this one. You're almost done, okay, Paul? You don't have to show cutting the whole beef, right? I'm just gonna put a couple pieces in there. So finish up the movie.
I've been here for 10 minutes.
My hand is slippery. I have to wash it.
Is that pepper supposed to be on there?
400. Fine, I'll just keep it longer.
Little snack.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, these are done. I need a.
Go, put the video. This is chunk beef. This is cheap, tough chunk beef. So I put like a little one piece of kui. We break down the toughness, make soft beef. But I personally like rib beef. But today I'm giving a chunk. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put some little bit of sugar, and then we're gonna add sugar. I don't know what sugar is.
Nobody makes sense around here.
Mm.
Dad, where's your sugar?
Sugar.
You got any garlic salt?
Look, Mom. There's some sugar packets over there.
Okay. This thing. See, I normally put grape jelly to season it, but it's not sweet enough. See? Taste it, it's salty. So I'm gonna put a movie on it. See, I don't use spoons or measuring tape. I just pour it. This is eyeball it. Okay. You know, if you don't have grape jelly, you use the sugar. You don't have sugar, you use, what is that called? Syrup, pancake syrups, anything sweet will do. If you're not hungry, you put in there. Okay, put it in there. You put a little amount more sugar on it. Look how much, a lot of sugar. The soy sauce is salty.
Yeah, just like you.
What did you try to say here? I'm salty like soy sauce.
Don't be disrespectful.
You be good to me. You never see the sweetest person you ever to live, right?
Mom, I've been standing here for 15 minutes.
Okay. I'm almost done. Almost done, okay? Almost done. Since I'm not gonna use this sauce, I'm not gonna put sugar on this one. I'm gonna put grape jelly on it. For this one, I put sugar on it. Yeah, we're almost done, right? 15 minutes.
You probably have no cicadas in your yard.
No.
Is it okay? Almost done. See, now I'm ready. So you cut the beef. You don't want to cut the beef this way. You want to cut the beef against this grain, this way. So against the grain. So just show this right here. I'm gonna cut all this beef, put it in there, put some garlic in it, and remember to chew it. And see, this sauce is very salty, like sauce. So you don't want to put too much in it. You want to put like the donut, you know, like that. And then you put a container overnight, marinated, and then cook it on high heat. You don't want to cook the meat in the lower. You cook it really high, or grill it. And that's how you make Korean beef, right? Okay, done. We'll put it in there. Yeah, all mixed in. Not too much sauce. Look, show this. Like a donut. You just put sauce around the beef. You don't want to put too much sauce in there. Now I'm gonna cook high fire. Yeah, cook the beef really high. Put everything in there. Put the spoon out of the way. And then go put all in there. And make it a high spot. And I'm gonna put this one till there's no more juices. I guess that's it.